Price TV. Subscribe now.
Not at all like regular autos, the Tesla Model 3 is controlled by a cell phone friend application, says Bloomberg, which enables you to open it. You should simply stroll up to the entryway with your portable in your pocket and the Model 3 will open itself consequently. While old covert agent shots of the section-level electric auto have all the earmarks of being level, Spartan and dead, the site says the creation variant feels far-reaching and invigorating in view of the non-attendance of dials and catches on the dashboard. These have been supplanted with a solitary 15 inches touchscreen over the middle comfort, which the Times says is freeing. However, being looked with only a controlling haggle is alarming at first. The two-directional parchment wheels that are inset in the wheel itself are the main physical catches in the lodge, says TechCrunch, alongside a move section mounted simply in the driver's seat. The Verge says a heads-up show would have been an appreciated component as a few drivers could think that it's troublesome utilizing the touchscreen to get to all the auto's data. They may likewise get diverted by it. A heads-up show, which ventures data, for example, the auto's speed and battery life before the driver, could keep drivers from taking a gander at the 15 inches show while driving and hence enable them to center around the street.